Hello traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, you can see that I have received a signal on gold 1 minute buy, and this is the buy signal. I'm going to trigger a trade with a buy position here. Okay, you can see that I'm coming into the profit. I'm getting $26. So this is the indicator that does not repaint, and why I have taken the trade. So let me tell you, first of all, the market was so much down, and then I decided to enter into the position because you can see it's very good that when you are going to do scalping, then either the price should be very much up like this, or either it should be down like here you can see in the signal. Okay guys, now you can see that I'm getting a very decent profits, 51, 57, 56. So I'm just going to close this one because I have already taken a profit on this one. So let's close it somewhere near to 60s. Okay, 90, and look, triple one, and I am just done. Okay, so however, it doesn't mean that this signal has stopped. Overall, you can see that still it's trying, but overall it has gone so much many pips up, and still it's going up. So this trading system does not repaint. So I have just shown you example that how to deal it with this scalping on the 1 minute gold chart. However, if you are a day trader, then you can use different charts. Like on the sell, we have on the 1 hour, and going to the 4 hour, we have a buy signal. So it depends that which type of trader you are. And like on daily, we have a sell signal, and like on the weekly, we have a sell signal on gold, and still the market is going down. And guys, you can also use the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, we have a sell signal at the moment. So the recovery is done on 1 minute. So guys, if you are interested in scalping, then you can use the two charts, 1 minute, 5 minute, as well as a 15-minute chart. So this can help you a lot. And moreover, if you're instantly looking for a fast scalping, then you can try this one, because like I have taken, like for example, now if the market goes up to here, then I will maybe I will take a sell position and try my luck into the sell position. So overall, you can see the price was down. That was the reason I have taken the trade on gold, and you can see it has went successful in front of your eyes. So guys, if you want to get this trading system, if you want to book your coaching session with me, and for all this, you can also get the expert advisor from me. I have no Martingale expert advisor that is running very successfully. If you want to get any of the services, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.